So this is why you can choose between marketing and sales funnels. Yup. Sales funnels or marketing, if you have to choose. So this question, it may be a little bit weird. Why? Because do we have to choose between them? Yes, you can choose either having a funnel or marketing. It's weird as it is. Especially having a funnel does not mean that it is marketing based. Maybe you have a funnel by accident. It's not based on your marketing strategy. Okay? You can have your own marketing, but you always have a funnel. Maybe it's by accident. Maybe it's not based on you maybe have, but it is a funnel. Going to buy something, that means that you are in the funnel of someone, okay? But having your own funnel, in my opinion, you need to study it, to modify it, and not having successful funnels only by accident. So there is a method, there is a way to know, there is a framework that you can develop for your own, or choose somebody else's framework in order to have the best funnel yet.